Hi everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new right here, hi, my name is Sushmita and for today's video, I'm recreating Kiara Advani's inspired makeup look. This is a look from Shershah and I personally love this kind of looks which are very wearable. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel yet, then do subscribe to my channel. And now let's just get started. Starting up with some skin prep, first I'm gonna use this Good Vibes Argan Oil Toner in order to get rid of the excess dirt as well as to tighten my pores and maintain the pH balance of my skin. So the next step that I'm gonna use is the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. Now this product is so amazing guys, it has so many skincare benefits. It helps in plumping our skin up, just keeping it really moist and hydrated for a long duration. Next I'm gonna apply some serum, and the one that I'm using today is the Hyaluronic Acid Serum by L'Oreal Paris. And guys, if you want that glowy skin from within, then you must not skip this step. Next, to add in some extra hydration and to plump up the skin, I'm going to be using a moisturizer, and since I am a dry skin type, I like to use a moisturizer which is cream based. So for that I'm going to be using Nivea Light Moisturizer Cream. Now we are going to move on to makeup, and the first thing that I'm going to do is apply a primer, and for that I'm using Patanjali Aloe Vera Gel. Now I'm gonna do my base, and for that I'm gonna be using the Nykaa Skin Shield Foundation, and to add that extra luminous glow I'm mixing it up with Max Drop Cream. You can see now how smooth and flawless the foundation is sitting on my face, and it has that natural dewy look. Now moving ahead towards the concealer, and I am using here Elegant concealer in the shade Pure Beige. Using very light amount of concealer and slowly adding more of the product and blending it out. So moving towards the compact, and I am taking here very little amount of Maybelline compact to set my entire face. And now to set my brows, I am using here the Wet n Wild Eyebrow Kit, and with this I'm not overdrawing it but just filling the gap areas. For my eyes, I'm using Color Studio Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm gonna be taking out this neutral light pink color as my transition shade. And now to darken up my crease line, I'm taking neutral skin like color and applying it all over my crease. I am blending this out nicely to remove all the edges. Now I am mixing the same light pink color with a peach shade and applying it all over my lid. So basically I am creating an eye makeup look which looks like there is no color, but there is a color. Now moving on to Kajal, and I'm using here Sugar Back to Black Gold pencil to tightline my eyes. I'm just slowly tightlining my eyes, and it just makes a lot of difference in such neutral makeup look. And now I'm applying a thick layer of Kajal on my waterline area, because that is how Kiara Advani's look was there in the movie itself, and just smudging it out with a smudger brush. And now I'm applying some coats of mascara, and it is such a neutral makeup look. It really looks so pretty, and after mascara you can see my eyes are looking very pretty. And now it's time to apply some blush to get that flushed glow, and I'm using here my Glam blush. And for my lips, I'm gonna use two lip colors. Firstly, I'm using Nykaa lipstick in the shade Naughty Nude. This shade is like a pinkish nude shade, but a little darker one. So to lighten this color, I'm using Mattelook lipstick. And now to set my entire makeup, I'm using Swiss Beauty Makeup Setting Spray. For highlighter, I'll be using very light amount of highlighter, and this is by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold. And now wearing this beautiful pair of earrings, and also if you like my earrings, then don't forget to check my Instagram store link in the description box below. So yeah, applying a small bindi, I have completed my look here. And I really like how my look turned out to be, and I really hope you like this video and find this video helpful. So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.